3 ways to give someone PTSD. Fun edition. First off, you gotta probably kill someone. So, perfect. The next step is to grab somebody to watch them die. And then you make them lick the blood. So, let me grab somebody. Hey, you, get over here. Bro, stop pulling me. Where are you taking me? Don't worry, you're just getting a main course. Yay, free dinner, but where are you taking me? Does it matter? Not really, as long as I get free food. Here we are, the main course. Okay, you need to lick the blood. We'll be fine. I've played these games before. Oh, have you now? I licked the blood. I don't care. It's fine, I've also played those games before. What have you not played? Nothing? Well, I haven't played these games before. Hey, dude. What? I thought I played these games before.